Hello everyone and welcome to this comparison between Ecwid and Shopify. Which e-commerce platform is right for you? If you're looking to sell online, you've probably heard of Shopify and Ecwid. Both are powerful e-commerce platforms, but they work in different ways. So we're going to break down their features, pricing, pros and cons, and this will help you to decide at the end which is the perfect fit for your business. So stick around to the end so you get an informed decision, and there are all links to Ecwid and Shopify in the description if you'd like to get started at the end of this video. Starting with the features. Shopify has a full website builder with themes. It has unlimited product, multi-channel selling where you can sell online, social media, and in person. It also has marketing and SEO tools, payment processing, shipping integrations, and an app store for extended functionality. Ecwid, on the other hand, integrates with existing websites such as WordPress, Wix, etc. You can also sell on social media. It also has mobile app management, product management, marketing tools, shipping and payment, and inventory management. And when it comes to the pricing, our pricing will be on an annual billing, starting with Shopify. Shopify has a basic at $24 per month, also the Shopify plan at $69 per month, the advanced at $299 per month, and the Shopify Plus at $2,300 on a 3-year term. Now the basic plan, Shopify and advanced plans do have 10 inventory locations, localized global selling with 3 markets, and POS Lite, while the Shopify Plus has 200 inventory locations, localized global selling for 50 markets. And when it comes to our recommendation, we suggest the standard Shopify plan, which is popular for growing businesses and balancing robust features with reasonable pricing. Ecwid, on the other hand, does have a free plan with up to 10 products. The Venture comes at $25 per month and it's capped at 100 products. The Business is at $45 per month and capped at 2,500 products. The Unlimited comes at $105 per month with unlimited products. Now, for most small to mid-sized businesses seeking to add e-commerce to the existing website, the business plan offers a great deal for features for a strong price. And now I would like to talk about the pros and the cons. Shopify has a comprehensive e-commerce platform. It has a large app store for extensions, strong marketing and SEO tools, and it's good for building a dedicated online store. Ecwid is easy to integrate into existing websites, multi-channel selling capabilities, affordable pricing tiers, and a good free plan to try things out. Now with the cons, Shopify can be expensive as your business grows, and it can have a steeper learning curve for beginners. Ecwid, on the other hand, with its cons, has limited design customization compared to dedicated website builders. SEO tools are not as robust as some competitors. In conclusion, you can go ahead and choose Shopify if you're looking to build a full-fledged online store from scratch, need a wide range of features, and plan to scale your business. On the other hand, you can choose Ecwid if you want to add e-commerce functionality to an existing website, sell on multiple channels, or need a more affordable option. Ready to start selling online? Well, check out the links in the description to begin with Shopify or Ecwid, and do let us know in the comment which service you will be choosing, and thanks for watching.